everyone, and welcome back to NB English Studio, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Hira.
And I'm Alex. Great to see you, Hira. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Alex. Excited about today's topic.
Oh, what's the topic?
Something really important. We're talking about how we think.
How we think. You mean our ideas?
Exactly. It's called mindset.
Mindset. Sounds serious.
It's simple. Your mindset is how you feel and think about something. For example, English is hard. That's a mindset.
Or English is fun? That's another mindset.
Perfect. Today, we'll learn how a good mindset helps you learn English better.
Nice. I'm ready.
But first, a quick reminder.
Oh, yes. Friends, if you enjoy learning with us, please give this video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to NB English Studio. It really helps our channel grow.
Thank you so much for your support.
All right, let's start. There are two kinds of mindsets, the stuck mindset and the growing mindset.
Stuck. That doesn't sound good.
It's not. A stuck mindset says, I'm bad at English. I'll never learn.
Oh, I've said that before.
We all have. But when you think that way, you feel sad and stop trying.
So, what about the growing mindset?
The growing mindset says, I'm learning English. I'm improving.
Ah, that feels positive.
Yes, I'm bad feels finished. I'm learning feels hopeful.
I love that. So, it's all about how we think. But Hira, how can I change my thinking? Sometimes it's hard.
I have a magic word for you.
A magic word? Ooh, I like that. What is it?
The word is yet.
Yet.
Yes, it means not now, but maybe soon.
Okay. Give me an example.
All right. I don't understand. That's stuck. Now add yet. I don't understand yet.
Wow, that sounds so different. It feels more possible.
Exactly. Or say, I can't speak English fluently yet.
Yes, it gives me hope. Like, I'll get there someday.
That's the power of yet. It turns negative thoughts into growing ones.
Okay, I'll remember that magic word. But Hira, I still hate making mistakes.
Everyone does. But listen, mistakes are your friends.
Friends? No way. Mistakes make me feel bad.
I know, but mistakes are how we learn. Think about a baby learning to walk.
Oh, yes, my cousin. She falls all the time.
Exactly. Does anyone shout, you're bad at walking?
Of course not. We cheer and say, good job, try again.
Right, because falling is part of learning.
So, when I make a mistake in English, it's just like falling down?
Yes, you're not stupid. You're learning. Mistakes show you're trying.
That actually makes me feel better.
Be kind to yourself, Alex. Every mistake means you're growing.
But sometimes, learning English feels like climbing a mountain. It's huge.
True, but here's a trick. Don't look at the top of the mountain.
What? Then how will I know where I'm going?
Just look at your feet, one small step at a time.
What kind of step?
Small ones. Don't say, I'll learn all of English today. Say, today I'll learn 2 new words.
Oh, I can do that.
Or, I'll listen to 1 English song. Or, I'll watch 1 English video.
That's easy.
See? Small steps every day lead to big results.
Let me tell you a short story.
Ooh, I love stories.
There was a man who wanted to build a big wall. He looked at the empty space and said, "It's impossible."
That's the stuck mindset again.
Exactly. But his wise friend said, "Don't build a wall. Just lay one perfect brick today."
Just one brick?
Yes. So the man did that, one brick each day. And after many days, he had a beautiful wall.
Wow, so the secret is not to build the wall, just lay one brick.
Exactly. Learning English is the same. Each small effort is a brick.
I like that. My brick today is learning the word yet.
Great brick, Alex.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Sure. Number 1, change "I'm bad" to "I'm learning."
Number 2, use the magic word yet.
Number 3, mistakes are your friends.
And the bonus, don't build the wall, just lay one brick every day.
Perfect. It's not about being perfect today. It's about being better than yesterday.
I love that. I feel inspired.
Me too.
So friends, what's your one brick today?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Maybe it's learning one new word or writing one short sentence in English.
Every small effort counts.
Thank you all for watching NB English Studio.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Keep learning, keep growing, and remember,
You're not there yet, but you will be.
bye everyone.